Hey everyone. Today, I want to share something serious. In fact, it might be one of the biggest reasons why so many people feel tired, unfocused, and drained, and they don't even know why. This truth affects your mind, your body, and your future. So let's get straight into it. Did you know? We're all under attack, not with guns or bombs, but something much sneakier. We're caught in a war for our attention, for our time, and ultimately, our lives. Big tech companies are not just building apps. They're building systems that are designed to get you hooked. Their goal? Keep you scrolling, keep you tapping, keep you watching, non-stop. The CEO of Netflix once said, "Their biggest competitor isn't YouTube or Amazon. It's your sleep." That says everything. These companies hire neuroscientists, behavior experts, engineers, all to keep your eyes on the screen. They don't care if you're tired, anxious, or burnt out. They care about one thing: profit. If you feel distracted all the time, if your energy disappears for no reason, if you can't focus or feel lost in your own mind, it's not just you. You're up against a trillion-dollar industry built to make you addicted. They're not just stealing your time, they're stealing your attention, your energy, your life force. The World Health Organization says that by 2030, mental health will be the #1 issue people face around the world. But let's be honest, it's already happening. We're so used to having our phones in hand, we panic when they're not there. We scroll endlessly without even knowing why. Even when there's nothing new to see, we scroll anyway. That's not just habit, that's addiction. 3 ways to fight back. First, get into physical activity. Now listen, I'm not asking you to quit social media. I'm not telling you to delete your apps or stop watching your favorite shows. But I am asking you to start doing something else. Something real. Get your body moving. Run, swim, bike, hike. Do anything that puts your body in motion. Because when you're climbing a mountain or cycling for hours, you're not checking TikTok. You're not reaching for your phone. You're living. Find a physical activity you enjoy, and over time, you'll get addicted to that instead. That's a better kind of addiction. 2. Protect your golden hours after waking up. The first 3 hours after you wake up are when your brain is sharpest, most creative, most alert, most focused. That time is precious. Don't waste it scrolling through memes or notifications. Use it to learn something, build something, do something meaningful. Turn your phone off. Turn your notifications off. Honestly, turn the whole damn thing off if you can. Those early hours are your secret weapon. Use them for you, not for the algorithms. Third, change your body's rhythm to shift your mood. You know when you feel down, tired, or emotionally flat, and you reach for your phone just to escape? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the trick. Your mind follows your body. If you feel stuck mentally, move physically. Start with 5 minutes of walking, or run, or stretch. Put on upbeat music, something with rhythm. Dance if you want. Seriously. When your body speeds up, your mood lifts. And guess what? You'll stop needing those quick dopamine hits from your screen. In short, we live in a world where time and attention are the most valuable things you have. And right now, they're being stolen from you. But you can fight back by moving your body, by owning your mornings, and by choosing presence over addiction. Because this life, it's yours. Take it back. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning and growing with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Here on Done in 7, we bring you powerful insights and practical tips, all in just 7 minutes. See you in the next video.